Introducing RoboDK TwinBox. RoboDK TwinBox is a compact solution for production robot integration. This self-contained system offers all RoboDK's software features and can be easily controlled through a web browser, allowing users to trigger actions remotely from anywhere in real time and have a 3D view of their robot's cell. With its remote interface, users have full control of all connected external robots, devices, and sensors. It requires to pre-install the RoboDK software into an industrial PC, a small single-board computer, or an IPC. This space-efficient solution offers the advantage of easy positioning. The goal is to provide a remote interface from the browser without a local display, keyboard, or mouse. With TwinBox, RoboDK has crafted a reliable system that runs on both industrial and consumer-grade hardware. It supports multiple operating systems and hardware architectures, including Windows and Linux Debian or Ubuntu, and provides dedicated builds for NVIDIA Jetson or Raspberry Pi-based industrial computers. RoboDK TwinBox can manage multiple devices and robots simultaneously. It supports over 900 robots from 50 robot brands. Visit our online library, select your robot, and download it directly with just one click. RoboDK TwinBox, an all-in-one solution, compact size, cost-effective, and easy setup.